Welcome to OXBRIDGE Montessori's digital learning platform.
This video is for Grade 2 students. Book title is Modern English Book 2. Poem, The Rainbow.
So today we are going to read the poem, Unit 1 poem, The Rainbow, and here you can see some words to know on your screen, and I'm going to read these words to know one by one. Bow. Bow means something that is curved like an arc. Heaven, the sky. Overtops rises over the top of. Sail. When a boat travels on water, it sails. Clouds can also sail. Sail means also travel across the sky. Let's start reading. Boats sail on the rivers, and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So in this poem, the poet is describing the beauty of nature. He says, boat sails on river, ship sails on oceans. These are the things made by man, but cloud sails in the sky made by Almighty Allah. The most interesting thing that cloud sails in the sky. Bridges are on river, and man tries to make beautiful bridges, but the bridges that connect heaven with earth is most beautiful than any bridge on earth. And that bridge is rainbow, which connect earth to the sky. And here are some difficult words you can see over here. Rivers, water bodies, or darya. Prettier, the most beautiful, सबसे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत. Bridges, pull, which connect the area of land to another land and having water between them. Build means to make, banana. Earth means land or zameen. Moving towards the exercise, part 1 is understanding the poem. So the question number 1 is answer the following questions, and part A is where do boats sail? So where do boats sail? What do you think? Recall the poem and answer. Boats sail on the rivers. Part B is where do ships sail? So where do ships sail? I know the answer. Ships sail on the seas. Part C. What sails across the sky? So the answer is cloud sails across the sky. Part D is what are the two prettiest things in the poem? What are the two prettiest things? So they are bridges and the bows. Bridges and bows are the most prettiest things in the poem. What is the another name of the bow that bridges heaven? Do you know that what is the bow that bridges heaven? What is the another name of the bow that bridges heaven? The rainbow. It's rainbow that bridges heaven. Part F is Is there a difference between a boat and a ship? Find out. Answer is ship is big in size and boat is small in size. Question number 2 is what are they? Find this word in the poem. Part A is better looking, so think about it. Which will be the word means better looking? So it is prettier. Part B is the planet on which we live. Where we live, what do you think? So we live on the planet is Earth. Part C is it is built to cross over a river. So which thing is to cross a river? The man built bridge to cross a river. Part D is we can sail in ships and boats. White and fluffy, it floats in the sky. And I know the answer, it's clouds. Working with words, part B is and join a word in A with a word in B to make a new word, and the new word will be called a compound word. Here is list A having the words here, class, post, shoe, text, hand, door. And in list B, we have room, kerchief, maker, way, book, pen, card. So let's make words with list A word and list B word. By combining two words, we are going to have a new word. So the first word we make from list A and list B is postcard. You can see post is in list A and card is where it is. It is in bottom. So post and card makes a new word, means postcard. The next word is hairpin. Hair and pin. Hairpin is a new word. Class and room. Classroom is a new word. Can you make any other new word? So the next one is shoemaker, and you can see that shoe is in list A and maker is in list B. So the new word is shoemaker. Textbook. You can see that text is in list A and book is in list B. And the new word is textbook. Handkerchief. So here is hand and here is kerchief. Handkerchief is a new word. And the last one is doorway. Here is door and here is way. The new word is doorway. Learning about language, and here we are going to learn about nouns. What are nouns? Can you think? Can you recall that what are nouns? So I'm gonna tell you what are nouns. Nouns are naming words, and naming words are called nouns. You have to underline the nouns in the following lines. And nouns are the naming words such like person, place or thing. And you have to underline the nouns in the following. So I'm going to read the first line. Tiny Tim was playing in the kitchen. In the very first line, what will be the noun? The noun is Tim and kitchen. Tim and kitchen are nouns. In the next line, He stood on a chair next to the sink. So in this line, can you tell which one are nouns? Chair, sink. Chair and sink are nouns. Water was coming out of the tap. Water, tap are nouns. He put his thumb under the hole in the tap. Thumb, tap are nouns. The water went all over the floor. Water, flow are nouns. It went all over his head too. Head is noun. So you can see that nouns are underlined with a blue line